Hey, DJ, thank you. I want to say thank you again and again and again for helping me not only get out of debt, helping give add on to the plan that I had to get out of debt, and giving different alternatives to it, adding on to it. But also, I want to thank you for your help with my business. Helping me get started. What is the proper mindset that I need? What are the proper information that I should tack on as a business owner? So uh, I definitely want to thank you for that. Thank you for the opportunities you've given. And anyone who's thinking of getting any assistance from DJ, I will recommend it. This guy has a multitude of experience that I'm finding out right now. Um, at the age of 30, working IT, this was the perfect course for me. I think it's the perfect course for anyone who's looking to invest into their future. Very instrumental in what I'm doing right now and how I'm growing and how I'm progressing. Thank you guys. Thank you, Erica, for bringing him on. Uh, thank you, DJ, for all the advice. Thank you guys.